Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's time for another bio protocol update or the bio token update. I did cover this token in the detail, I think on in July, so I thought I should cover it again since it's doing really well. As of now, you can see in the last 7 days it's up like 25%. So I thought this should be a pretty good opportunity to cover this token again. Now if we talk about why the token has performing really well, it's because they have been doing really well. I mean, the team is doing really well. So basically they announced like bio markets, which is really interesting. So this is how it looks like. This is their bio market, as you can see here, and this is basically for decentralized science tokens. As you can see, there are various like hair DAO, white DAO, and belly DAO different tokens, as you can see here. After that, if we talk about other things, the number of bio stake rose to over 125 million, which is a lot, I would say. Now this has to do with Yaping Bio XP goes live in the app, so this is most likely this is most likely due to the app, which is this one, Bio XP. Users can earn Bio XP, I think, because of that. Because of the boosted rewards, the token has started to go up. Now they also have these bio agents as well, and all of that has had a pretty good impact on the bio tokens price. After that, they had like this bio approved a proposal to fund human clinical trial conducted by the Cerebrum DAO. Because of that, the token basically started to go up as well, as you can see. And they announced something with Molecule announced it is developing its version 2 protocol to bridge traditional corporate structure into decentralized science and to decentralized science and drive institutional adoption. So if the institutional adoption increases, this means that the demand for the bio will most likely increase, and that is big if once that happens. Now if we talk about other things, for example, if we look at bio protocols recent update, beside that there have been a lot of community updates as well. So because of that, potentially there is, I would say, a big hype for the project overall on the Twitter, and because of that the token could be going up as well. Now if we talk about the other things that I said that about BIO's new point system, so they basically announced this new system that basically fueled this rally as well. Now if we talk about the token itself, it is used for the staking to gain governance rights and earn rewards bio XP. It is also used for the participating in new project launches, which is basically a launch pad, as you can see here. After that, it is used for the liquidity across the system. You can also use bio token to get access to likes bio agents and other things. Now if we talk about the tokens economics or bionomics, that's what they call actually. It has an initial supply of like 3.3 billion. The supply is uncapped, so governance can increase the supply if they want to. So all of that depends on the governance, as you can see here. So this is how basically they distributed like initial supply 56% to the community of and like 20% went to the community auction, 6% went to the airdrop, like ecosystem incentives like 25%, and molecule ecosystem fund like 5%. Early bakers like got 13.6 and early contributors scored like 21.2. After that we have like advisors getting like 4.2 and molecule getting like 5%. When comes to the bio supply schedule, this is where the things get real confusing. So I checked like this CoinGecko's you can say CoinGecko's system, where they show tokenomics on the tokens page, and I also checked like CoinMarketCap's exact same thing, where they show token unlocks, as you can see. So according to both of them, the BIOS you can say token generation event was back in June of 2024, and because of that but the token launched recently, like it launched back in, I would say, in Jan of 2025, as you can see here. So basically this year. So as of now, there should still be like 3 to 6 months before the investors token as well as the core contributors token should be unlocked. But according to both of these, investors are getting tokens on a monthly basis as well as the team. So if this is wrong, I think the sell pressure that the BIO will face will most likely be in Jan of 2026. But if this is right, that means that BIO is currently facing a monthly sell pressure from these entities, so that may also not be good. But again, I'm still confused on this thing. Now if you talk about token itself, it has a fairly big market cap of like 211 million and it keeps going up, so I would say that is a big W for the BIO in general. At some point or at launch, it had a market cap of like 1.1 billion, which I would say is a lot. Now this is from my last video, and this analysis worked like really well, as you can see. So I did say that this was a resistance that it needs to flip, and it actually ended up flipping this resistance, and now it is a demand zone. So basically after hitting 13 cent, the token actually ended up making the perfect retest around 10 to 9.5 cent, as you can see here. Now it's going up again as well, since BTC and Ethereum basically are going down as of now. If you look here, BTC is down from like 118, I believe, and now it's at 115. And even if you look at Ethereum, it's at 4.2, as you can see here. So I think as of now the market is not looking that good, so that means all of the alts that were really strong are most likely going down. That also includes the BIO token as well. So as of now, what I'm expecting from the BIO token's price action is that if it can again flip this resistance, which is going to be like this one. So if it does flips like 17 to 15 cent, I think we can expect a surge as high as like 20 or even 27 cent, if that makes sense. So I think it does need to flip this resistance as of now, and even if it doesn't and if it goes down, I think it could actually make a retest, like if we just try to make a trend line. So if it doesn't if it goes down, I would be expecting a retest of like let's see, a retest of like around here. Most likely if it goes sideways, let's say that it keeps trading in like this, so I think in the future it may actually retest somewhere around 8.6, or if the crash is big, we could expect a retest of around like 6.5. but of course the first one would be again this exact same level, around 10 cent to 9.5 cent. But again, it seems like that it's doing really well, and this, you can say, rebound was really strong. So as of now, I think the token will most likely continue to go up, and I would be expecting a surge as high as 17 cent. And if it flips that, we could be actually looking at again that 27 to 20 cent level. As of now, it has started to go up again, but let's see what happens. It seems to be in a pretty, I would say, in a pretty bad spot due to the Ethereums and BTC going down. If they were doing really well, or if they were holding, I think we could have expected a massive price jump from this token, but as of now it seems like that it is struggling due to the BTC and Ethereum. Let's see what happens, but I just want to cover this token. Anyway, this is it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.